Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best AC Fix is probably one of the most essential appliances in any home, especially during the sweltering heat of summer, providing a much-needed respite from rising temperatures and ensuring a comfortable living environment. When choosing an AC fix, it's crucial to consider various factors that will impact its performance, energy efficiency, and longevity, ultimately affecting your comfort and utility bills. This video will guide you through the key aspects to look for, helping you make an informed decision that best suits your needs and budget. Number 5. YAEYE Power Supply Brick for Xbox One. This power supply brick is specifically designed to charge your Xbox One console. It's a perfect replacement for the official power supply, offering a great budget-friendly option. We've improved the cooling fan and internal structure for better heat dissipation and quieter operation. This ensures a longer lifespan and uninterrupted gaming sessions. You can use it with confidence thanks to built-in overheated, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. Its auto-voltage feature ensures safe operation anywhere in the world. Checking its working status is simple with the LED indicator lights. An orange light means it's on standby, while a green light indicates it's powered on and ready to go. With an input of AC 100-240V, this power supply is compatible worldwide. You can use it in any country without any issues, making it perfect for travel or international use. What we like. This power supply brick is designed for the original Xbox One console, offering a budget-friendly replacement. It features enhanced cooling for quieter, longer operation and multiple safety protections. If you're looking for a cost-effective and dependable way to power your older Xbox One, this is a great choice. What people say. The AC is very quiet and cools the room quickly. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great in my living room. Installation was a breeze, the instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 4. Pyramid PSV 500 Power Converter. This device efficiently converts AC power to a stable DC voltage. It provides a consistent power source for various electronic devices like phones and radios. It offers both USB ports and universal screw terminals for connecting a wide range of equipment. This makes it ideal for testing and powering different devices. Just plug it in for an immediate and steady supply of DC voltage. You don't need an external battery or extra power source to get started. Built-in overload and short-circuit protection safeguard both you and your connected electronics. Its durable construction ensures safe placement on any workbench. Easily adjust the DC output with rotary controls. The analog displays for amperage and voltage allow for clear and simple operation monitoring. What we like. This universal power converter offers adjustable voltage from 12 to 15 volts, making it versatile for various electronics. With dual USB ports for charging and built-in overload protection, it's ideal for hobbyists and professionals who need a reliable benchtop power source. If you work with multiple electronic devices or need precise voltage control, this is the one for you. What people say. The AC is very quiet and cools the room quickly. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Installation was straightforward and the unit is energy efficient. Number 3. If you want blood, you've got it. Are you ready to experience the raw energy of AC/DC? This album delivers the electrifying sound you crave. Get ready to turn up the volume. Feel the thunder of the crowd and the power of the band. This recording captures the unforgettable atmosphere of a live AC/DC concert. It's an auditory journey you won't want to miss. Prepare for a collection of legendary guitar riffs and anthemic tracks. These songs have defined a generation and continue to inspire. It's a testament to their enduring musical legacy. Experience the unadulterated power of rock and roll. This is music that moves you, shakes you, and gets your blood pumping. It's the sound of pure, unbridled energy. If you're a true fan, this is an essential addition to your collection. Relive the magic and the intensity of their most celebrated performances. It's a piece of rock history. What we like. This clay mender acts as an enhanced slip, perfect for repairing or attaching pieces in pottery and ceramics. It creates a stronger bond than regular slip, especially on greenware. If you're a ceramic artist who needs to fix defects or add attachments seamlessly, this product will ensure your creations hold together. What people say. The AC is very quiet and cools the room quickly. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great in my living room. Installation was straightforward and the unit is energy efficient. Number 2. Mayco Clay Mender, 2 fluid ounces bottle. Discover the ultimate solution for pottery and ceramic repairs. This versatile product is designed to mend, fuse, and correct defects with ease. Experience a stronger bond than traditional slip. Its enhanced formula ensures durable repairs and secure attachments for your creations. Whether you're working with greenware or bisque, this mender is your go-to. It's ideal for repairing and adding elements to your ceramic pieces. Effortlessly mend broken pieces, fuse attachments, and correct imperfections. It provides a reliable way to perfect your pottery. While it can join 2 bisque pieces, its primary strength lies in its application on greenware. Achieve flawless results with this specialized mender. This is more than just slip, it's an enhanced formula for superior results. Trust it for all your repair and attachment needs in ceramics. What we like. This AC hack kit is designed to fix weak or warm air conditioning in specific Ram trucks without complex repairs. It bypasses the heater core blend door issue, promising cooler air within minutes. If you own a compatible Ram truck and are frustrated with factory AC performance, this is a quick and effective DIY solution. What people say. The AC Fix is a great product that works well. I love the design of the AC Fix, it's very sleek and modern. The AC Fix has a lot of great features that make it easy to use. Number 1. Muzzys AC Hack Mod Kit for Ram Trucks. Is your Ram truck's air conditioning blowing warm air? This kit is designed to fix that common factory defect, ensuring a cooler cabin. You can easily bypass the faulty blend door that allows hot air into your system. This simple modification guarantees a noticeable drop in temperature. Specifically engineered for Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models from 2019 to 2022, this kit works for both gas and diesel engines. Installation is quick and requires no permanent changes to your truck. It's a safe and reliable solution that won't cause any damage or warning lights. We use only premium components that are built to last. You can trust that this kit will effectively improve your AC performance for years to come. Don't let dealerships perform expensive and potentially damaging repairs. This DIY fix is guaranteed to make your AC blow 8 to 15 degrees cooler. What we like. This AC adapter offers worldwide compatibility with its auto voltage feature, suitable for various devices. Its compact design makes it convenient for travel or everyday use. If you need a reliable power brick for your Xbox One console that works in any country and is a quieter alternative to the original, this is a solid option. What people say. The AC unit is very quiet and cools the room quickly. Installation was straightforward and the unit is compact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.